Here is another example for us to deal with. Draw the graph of 4x minus 1 over 2 less than or equal to 3x minus 2 over 3. If you look at this, you see that I have added some things to it. For example, I have added this circle with this sign. Same here, but this is shaded. Now you can see that, showing that if it is greater than, you don't shade it when it comes to the graph. But when it is greater than or equal to, you shade it to let you know that it is different. So let's begin. We first start with cross multiplication, meaning that 3 will multiply the numerator here, and 2, which is the denominator here, will multiply the numerator on the other side, the fraction. So we have 3 bracket open 4x minus 1 bracket close less than or equal to 2 open bracket 3x minus 2 close bracket. So how do we go about this? 3 times 4 is 12, and we have x there, just put it there. And then don't forget the minus. 3 times minus 1 will give you minus 3. That's interesting enough. Good job. Less than or equal to 2 times 3x is 6x, and 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. Then we collect the like terms. Don't forget what I told you the other time, that when 6 is coming over here, it has an invisible plus here, and so when it transposes, it becomes minus. So we have 12x minus 6x. Minus belongs to 3, and then when it is transposed, you have minus 4, which is left here, and then plus 3, because the 6 didn't go with the minus. It has its own plus. And so the minus belongs to the 4. All numbers have their signs. I do mine. I do. So we have 6x less than or equal to minus 1, because when you're owing someone 4 and you have 3 with you, you are still owing 1, which is minus 1. And then x is less than or equal to minus 1. And then we divide both sides by 6, and then you have 6, like we did in the last video. Now, here, we're to draw the graph. This is the number line, and we've already started with 0, 1, 2. That's easy enough. For us to get it, you can see that in this case, it is quite important for us to pay attention to this place. This is 1 divided by 6, which is minus, and 6 in 1 is 0. Then add a 0 to it. 6 in 10 is 1. 1 times 6 is 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. And then 6 in 4 is impossible. You add a 0 to it. 6 in 46. 6 times 6 is 36. You subtract that again, you get the same 4 again. And if you continue with that, you keep getting 4, 4. So what you have is 0.166666. This is what you call a recurring decimal. You can approximate it to 2 decimal places, which is 0.17, and or you approximate it to just 1 decimal place, which is 0.2. If it's 0.2, we have it here, and it's also in the same line with 0.17. And so you just draw it. Don't forget, it's less than or equal to, so it follows the way the arrow goes, and that is it. And then we have our answer right there. I believe you enjoyed this part. If you do, join me in the next video in inequalities. See ya.